All right, the countdown to Easter weekend is on, and with just a few hours left before you pack up to head out of town this weekend, or wherever it is that you're going, even if you want to stay at home and still look glam, make sure Black Opal is with you. Here to show us how Black Opal will have you covered all weekend long, our marketing manager of the beauty concept, Desiree Roberts. And we also have with us Dishan Naidu, Sales and Marketing Director International of Black Opal. Kim is just going to sit there and look cute in a chair. Morning, guys. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Dishan, I'm going to start with you because I'm looking at the packaging and it's brand new.
It is.
To me.
So this is the new face and new look of Black Opal. Black Opal's been around from 1994.
Yes.
And for all this time, it started off just celebrating the nuances of black skin. And what was a beauty revelation at the time became a beauty revolution in, in beauty, in women, identity, and empowerment.
And the good thing about makeup, or what should be good about it, is you love your skin. It's not about covering up your skin. It's about enhancing what you already have. And Black Opal allows you to do that. Because sometimes our color skin, Desiree, when we put on the makeup, we have a different shade. So talk to me about, I see you brought different shades and tones. Because people think all black people have the same color. We don't. So walk me through the range.
What's happening here now, Delia, is Black Opal has taken on this mantra for every shade of beauty.
Yes.
And that's what we're stepping forward with. So it doesn't matter your complexion, your shade, your tone. They have added as well so many additional shades that there is something for everybody in this line.
Nice. Out of many one people, that's Jamaica, so we have many different shades. What I like, and he was showing me, is, so I'm looking at the outside and I'm thinking, okay, this is nice and fashionable. Then he does this, and he flips that, and then he does this. Who's with me? Marvin, you with me? Yeah? Then he does this. Pow!
But wait, there's more.
Huge mirror.
There's more? Show me.
You've got a little vent at the back too.
What?
Yeah. So it's a lot more hygienic by having your sponge separated from
everything else.
The powder, yes.
Yeah,
now what you're holding
sometimes when you finish using the sponge, there's nowhere to put it.
Absolutely.
And you put it on top of the powder, and it just doesn't.
All new to the brand, totally new relook, totally new revamp, and we have some new amazing products that the consumers are going to go crazy over. Yes.
All right, so there's the foundation powder, and you have.
But this just isn't a foundation powder. This is actually a universal foundation powder. It's a compact that anybody could use, regardless of your skin type. So if you've got a dry skin, you've got a combination skin, you've got an oily skin, you could use this. But there's more, because you could use this wet or dry, and you could build the coverage from a light to a full when you use it with a wet sponge or brush.
I like that, because sometimes you don't think about the type of skin. You just want to run in and grab makeup. And
Absolutely.
That's right. All right, so Desiree, I'm sorry, Dishan, you were telling me about, these are new to me, the pencils.
Yes.
It's just me, or are they new?
No, they're new. These are new chubby sticks.
Yeah.
And they're retractable. The color is amazing. I was just testing them outside to just show you the amount of color, the pop you're going to get from this, the moisture you're going to get from this. So many amazing colors that it is going to almost have something for everybody.
The moisture is important.
The moisture is important.
Sometimes you buy the pencils and you put them on. If you don't gloss them, they get dry.
It's very dry. You're not going to get that with this. The versatility of the product is what is really going to sell this, along with the moisture, hydration actually, and just the colors that it comes in. But this is not even everything.
Right.
This is the tip of the iceberg. We're talking about a total revamp of the brand. This is an amazing, we have a pore perfecting powder foundation. This is gonna give you a blur effect. So it's not gonna get rid of the pores, it's not gonna get rid of the lines.
But it softens
But
it.
it's gonna soften it. It's gonna give you that nice dewy look, but it's gonna go matte after it has settled on the face. So the Black Opal is coming with so much new technology at this point that we're just so happy to get it out on the market. Tonight, we're going to do a nice little intimate cocktail party.
What?
Yes,
Where?
we're going to do that. It's going to be at the Courtly Hotel. We start at 7 o'clock. The trick about this is you have to RSVP us.
Okay.
Yes, so you have to call into the office, 764-8717. That's the Beauty Concept Limited. Call into us, RSVP, Now, this is a special cocktail pre-look touch and feel session. It's for makeup artists, it's for bloggers, it's for a couple of the nice media people who want to come out to just see the brand and experience it. It starts at 7 o'clock, but we have only 40 spaces.
So they need to call now.
They have to call now, get into the office, 764-8717. Okay? So after all of that,
Kim needs some lip.
yeah, we're going to do some lip on Kim.
Lip on Kim for me. And I'm going to go back to Dishan because
Yes.
tropical, we perspire a lot. And this weekend is a lot about carnival and going to the beach.
Yes.
How long lasting is?
So the Ultramatte is exactly what it says on the box. It is an Ultramatte foundation, so it's going to last all day.
Okay.
Depending on how you use it, whether it's dry or wet, it's really going to help with giving you all of that coverage that you need. But we also do the finishing powders that could really seal this in.
Oh.
Yeah, and very, very popular in this market.
No, this is all brand new to me. For Black Opal, nice new look, nice new products, tailor-made for everyone. And there you see Desiree adding the color to Kim's lips. So make sure you call that number. You go out this evening to the special cocktail. If you don't get to go, you can always touch base with Desiree at the Beauty Concept, and she'll show you all the wonderful things that Black Opal has in store for you. Marketing Manager of the Beauty Concept, Desiree Roberts, and Sales and Marketing Director of Black Opal International, Dishan Nedu. More on Smile Jamaica after the break.
Yay.